Welcome to Let's Get Shots for America. Today, we're going to learn about the influenza vaccine. Before we talk about the vaccine, let's discuss what influenza is in the first place. Influenza is commonly known as the flu and is a viral respiratory infection caused by the influenza virus, most commonly types A and B. Symptoms of an infection include fever, chills, sore throat, runny nose, muscle and body aches, headaches, and overall fatigue. The primary mode of transmission of the flu is contact with infected respiratory droplets through coughing and sneezing. Different varieties of the influenza virus cause a seasonal flu epidemic, which is referred to as flu season. Now, let's talk about the three classes of the flu vaccine. The first type of flu vaccine is the inactivated vaccine. The antigen in this vaccine is an inactivated flu virus, which is what causes the immune response. It's administered intramuscularly in zero point 0.5 milliliter doses and is approved for yearly doses for those aged 6 months and older. The next type of flu vaccine is the live attenuated vaccine. In this vaccine, a live but modified form of the virus is used to produce antibodies. It's administered as a nasal spray and is also approved for yearly doses for those aged 6 months and older. The last type of flu vaccine is the recombinant vaccine. This vaccine uses surface protein hemagglutinin as the antigen, which is designed without influenza virus production. It's administered intramuscularly in zero point 0.5 milliliter doses. However, it's approved yearly for only those 18 and up. Let's now discuss why 3 different flu vaccines exist. The first reason is the immunocompromised. The live attenuated nasal vaccine is produced with a modified version of the influenza virus. However, for those who are immunocompromised, such as transplant patients or those with autoimmune conditions, live vaccines are not safe. In order to provide safe vaccination for these people, inactive and recombinant vaccines were produced. The next reason is age. Different flu vaccines are developed for safe and effective immunity for a wide variety of people. Offering different types of a flu vaccine provides a wider group of people with options for protection. There are vaccines formulated for optimal immunity for those 65 and up, those 6 months and up, and those 18 and up. The last reason is egg allergies. The live attenuated and inactivated vaccines have their antigens produced in a media that contains eggs. Since some individuals have egg allergies, the recombinant vaccine was developed as an alternative vaccine option. The recombinant vaccine is produced with no egg protein. Let's consider some reasons to get the flu shot. First, it decreases the chances of illness. The flu vaccine decreases the chances of flu infection by 61% and offers protection from yearly strains of the flu. Next, vaccination decreases the spread of the flu. Flu infections can be severe for some with compromised immune system. Getting vaccinated can limit the spread to those at risk. And the last reason to get the flu vaccine is that new strains appear each year. Influenza viruses undergo antigenic drift, meaning that each year small changes occurs in their genes which can change surface proteins. This means that previous flu vaccines are not effective against newer strains. Before we conclude, feel free to use these resources to learn more about the types of influenza vaccines and how influenza viruses change. Thank you for taking the time to watch today, and let's get shots.